To roll over your 401k with Fidelity, start by understanding what a rollover is. A rollover is the process of moving funds from one retirement account to another, often when changing jobs or retiring. Fidelity is a well-established financial institution that can help you manage your retirement savings. First, you need to gather required documents, including your current 401k account information and the new account details where you want to transfer the funds. If you are rolling over to a Fidelity account, you will need to open a new account, such as an IRA, if you do not already have one. Next, log into your Fidelity account online or contact a Fidelity representative to initiate the rollover process. You can also use the Fidelity mobile app to start the process. You will need to provide the required documents and information, including the account numbers and routing information for both the old and new accounts. Fidelity will then contact your old 401k provider to initiate the transfer of funds. This process can take several days to several weeks, depending on the provider and the type of transfer. You can track the status of your rollover online or by contacting Fidelity. It is essential to consider the potential tax implications and fees associated with rolling over your 401k. Fidelity offers a range of retirement accounts with varying fees and investment options. You should consult with a financial advisor to determine the best course of action for your individual situation. Best practices for rolling over your 401k with Fidelity include keeping track of the transfer process, monitoring your account balances, and being aware of any potential fees or tax implications. You should also review and understand the investment options and fees associated with your new account. By following these steps and considering your individual circumstances, you can successfully roll over your 401k with Fidelity and take control of your retirement savings. Remember to consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns about the process.